Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. I decided to do some spring cleaning, some very much needed spring cleaning, and I'm basically redecorating my room. And so this might be like a little series kind of thing. First I'm going to start off with my closet and then kind of move towards the rest of my room. My current furniture in my room is a little bit too bulky and just kind of not my style right now, so what I'm going to do is probably take this stuff, put it into the guest room, throw out the guest room mattress because it's not the best, and then get myself a new bed set, which is going to be really exciting. So I'll probably take you guys with me to IKEA when I decide to do that. The next few clips have kind of been filmed out of order, but it's okay. I am taking you through my closet, showing you what it used to look like, and then kind of like the little transformation I did with cleaning everything, donating everything, and such. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That's not the right thing. Alright, so if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and let's get into the video. Going into my closet, it's very tiny. Very tiny. My Christmas tree, I just never take it apart every year. All these boxes you see, all these boxes. Under here even, these are like shoe boxes. Oh, so many shoe boxes. I want to get a shoe rack. All these boxes are just from the move, and I never got a chance to take everything out. So that's what I want to go through everything, figure out if I need it, if I don't need it. All these clothes, I can tell you truthfully that I don't wear probably 75% of the clothing in here. More than that, like 80%. Like I really don't wear all the stuff in here, so I definitely need to throw it all out. I guess I'm tackling the closet first, so I'm just gonna take everything out and yeah, just put it all down here and then figure it out. These are all my sweaters. I have a lot of sweaters and I don't wear them anymore. These are just my two karate gis. I'm probably just gonna keep these for memories, but probably not in my closet. I made this Taylor Swift shirt to go to the Red tour. I kind of went through the stuff that I actually have in there that I wear, put that to the side, and then I grabbed all the stuff I don't wear. Shoe rack behind my door I don't want to keep because I'm going to put a little shelf down there, and it's just going to look cute, and the shoe rack's kind of ruining the wall behind there. So many boxes. Okay, so in the bags. Fun find, I really wanted some velvet boots, so I found these. I think H&M or Forever 21. I think Forever 21, and they were $7. They were on sale, so I was like, whatever. But they're actually really cute. Honestly, I just don't know what I would wear them with, but I want to keep them because they're cute. I think my mom bought these for me when I needed like business heels, I think in high school. It's just not something I would wear again. But they are in good condition, so I think somebody would appreciate them. I have these Adidas. So I have these Adidas tubulars. I got them like made online or whatever, like you can create your own custom shoe. I didn't expect them to be so chunky. They came in super chunky, and that's the reason I kind of just don't wear them anymore, because they just look massive on my feet. Maybe I'll grow to like them, or I'll figure out a way to wear them, I guess, but they are cute. So yeah, I'll keep these ones. Oh my god, okay. I don't think I'll ever be able to give these shoes away just because I love them, but I don't even see myself wearing them. There was this trend when Tumblr was around where I saw these boots and I was like, oh my god, I have to have them. And they're like chunky boots like that, and they have like their holes inside here, so like they're like sandals in a way. And like they're just so cute, but I literally wore them only one time to the Taylor Swift concert because I wanted to be extra. It was during the 1989 tour, and she was all colorful and extra, and like that's what I was going for because I wanted to get picked to go backstage by her mom, but I didn't, and I just ended up looking like a crazy person on the subway. But it was fun. I had a tutu one. It was great. I'm gonna keep these shoes. I also have them in black. The black ones seem like more logical for me to be wearing, but I like them. They're cute. An empty box. Oh my god, do you guys remember when moccasins were a thing? Oh my god. I don't think I ever wore these. I think I just got them once. Yeah, I have a pair of moccasins and I never wore them. And to be honest, for like years in high school, I was like, ew, never get moccasins. And then I got them and then I never wore them. So, I don't know. But I think that these 100% in good condition. Haven't even been worn. So I'm gonna donate these ones. Oh my god. I have a pair of rain boots, please. What is this? I know exactly why I have this boot. Those are the only pair of rain boots I ever owned. And basically in grade 7, we went on a trip to like this camping area. It was called Scanlon Creek. This was my first trip away by myself, like with my friends. My parents, like, they were iffy about letting me go, but then they let me go, and like they had like a checklist of all the things that you should be bringing because we were going in a time that where it might rain. So I was like, oh my god, I have to get everything on the list. I never wore it. I think I wore the rain boots, but I didn't need to wear them, and I was sweating, and they were so heavy because it was like not raining, but I brought them, so I was like, I have to wear them because I was just so excited, and I was like 12 years old. So that's the story behind that. I'm gonna donate those. They're hideous, and like, I don't know, do you ever really need rain boots, guys? I don't really think so.
A few moments later.
So I have all the shoes in my trunk. These are the ones that I'm donating. Alright, so I'm taking you guys with me, and I'm just donating all the shoes that are in my trunk to this homeless women's shelter where they accept lightly used clothing and shoes and stuff like that. So yeah, and this is my little Justin Bieber air freshener, in case you were wondering, from Someday, his perfume a long time ago. But yeah, so let's go. Okay, that was like a whole ordeal. So I came to this shelter place, and there's literally no parking anywhere, so you can't park. The sign they have up says it's private parking, but that part is it's under construction as well, so there's no parking. So how am I supposed to get everything out of my car inside there? So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna park across the street. There's a plaza here. I'm sitting in the plaza right now. I parked over here and I walked across. It's like raining right now. Walked in the rain, whatever. I was like, okay, maybe I can get some answers, like where I can park my car, take stuff out. I go to the front. The door's locked. It looks like there's people in there. Like you can't see the people, but you know that like they're probably operating hours, or like there's people working there. Like the computer looks like it's on, stuff like that. Lights are flashing. I don't know. Like it looked like people were actually working there, but I couldn't see anybody. And then I was like, okay, there's another door on the side. Walked into that door. That door's locked too. Very confused on how somebody who's actually in need of assistance can actually get in there then, because it's locked, so I don't really know where everybody is. But so my second option is to go to Salvation Army. I think it's down the street. I'm gonna go there, drop it off. So yeah, I'm also a little bit wet, but it's okay, we're good. It is now pouring rain outside, and I didn't bring a jacket, so I'm probably gonna have to do multiple trips. I do have an umbrella back there, so I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but yeah, I'm at a community donation center, so I'm gonna start trying to take these inside. Maybe I should go scope it out, see what space they have, if I can do boxes, or if I have to do like bags. I then have to go back home. I don't know. Okay, we'll figure it out. Okay, so I think I might have donated to the wrong place by accident. I meant to go to Salvation Army, but I actually ended up in the in a community donation center that's through Value Village. Basically, what they do is everything you donate, Value Village like purchases it technically from this company and called Cornerstone to Recovery, and then the money goes to this company, this non-for-profit, and they help people that are struggling with addiction and stuff like that. And I mean, they gave me this little paper thing, and it also says that by you donating, you're helping save 700 million pounds of reusable goods from landfills annually. So I think that's pretty, I mean, at least it's going somewhere, right? Somebody can reuse it, somebody can wear it. And I think that's pretty good. Better than all the landfills that get filled with all the stuff that we all have. And things that just never decompose. And it's just so sad. So yeah, so that's that. I think there's nothing else in my room that I could possibly donate anymore. Now it's just a matter of like decorating my room and like figuring things out.
4 to 6 days later.
So I just finished filming another makeup video, hence the crazy makeup going on. But I decided that I'm gonna finally put this shelf together that I got from IKEA. It was only $15, so hopefully it fits all my shoes. Yeah, this is just gonna be me putting this shelf together. Alright, so that took a long time, but I'm finally done building this shelf. I decided not to put in the bottom piece that I originally put on because that's for connecting it to the wall, but I don't really want to do that. I want to make a hole in my closet wall, so I'm just going to put the rack there and not connect it to the wall. But yeah. Okay, so this is my closet after the cleanup, guys. Look at my little shelf. Look at my little shelf. I think it's freaking adorable. It also can only fit literally like 8 pairs of shoes, but it's okay because I donated so much that I don't even have any more left. I can also put some under here too, so like I love it. So I cleared off so much clothing that this top part over here has no clothing, and I love it because I can still add clothes to the side. Like all my clothes are just against this wall now, but like I can still add more clothes on this side. I have so much more space. This part I might just leave open for now until like I have shorter pieces of clothing I can put. And then if you look up, I have some boxes up there, but those are just the things that I need. So the pink box up there in that corner, it just has like arts and crafts and like gifting supplies. And then the other 2 boxes just have a little bit of memories and stuff like that. Other than that, I literally threw out everything that I own. So even like stuff that you think you're gonna need, I just completely just threw it out. I did recycle properly, so I'm really proud of that. I kept my Christmas tree, and I'm still planning on not taking all those things off of it because it's just too much work, you know? Yeah, so I'm just gonna show you the shelving I did as well. Okay, so this is literally all the clothing I own, guys. That's it. That's everything. Minus like a few pairs of jeans that I put in my drawers. Literally, if you look back here, these are some sweaters that I'm going to wear for obviously the winter, so I'm not going to have now. Then I move into my business clothing, which is like a pretty big portion. And honestly, I don't even wear my business clothes often, so just probably going to keep that stuff for like interviews and other stuff. I don't know. Then I move into some skirts and some dresses, and then literally some more fancy clothing. This is probably all the summer clothing I own, guys. Not joking, I'm not kidding, and that's so sad, but I will probably make a video of myself purchasing new clothing because I hate shopping, but I probably do it online. And then I move over here into just some work clothing and some jackets, and then my newer ring light box I just put over there. Up on my shelf, I have my books and my CD collection, so it's very small, but I'm probably not going to keep all of them. It might be something that I do during my garage sale this summer that I sell. In this bag I just have like literally my yearbooks from high school and then some textbooks that I plan on selling. Yeah, so that's pretty much everything in my closet, guys. Honestly, I am so happy with the outcome. I have just a laundry basket over there. I'm so happy with the outcome because do you remember how much stuff there was in here before? I just love not having so much stuff. I think it's just so cute and so simple, and I can still decorate it a little bit more, but for now, I'm so proud of myself for throwing everything out. Alright, so that was kind of me going over like redecorating my closet and building that shelf with you guys. So I hope you guys like the final product of my closet, and yeah, so I'll probably move on to my room next. I don't know when exactly. I'll move into it slowly, and yeah, so I hope you guys like the video, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!